this is the west side of the station. As you can see, it's a bit older than the east side where I live on. But this is the Yodobashi building. It's called the Tonarie building, and this is where Yodobashi Camera is. So we're going to be going in there now. So see you in there. Okay, we're now at a shop called Village Vanguard. I'm going to show you a little bit of this place here. We'll go inside. Lots of ramens to eat there. New types of bags and everything. Look at all the stickers you can get here. There you go, Burley. There's your Pikachu. Lots of different little magnets and stuff too. So pretty cool stuff. And DC Comics, Avengers, got all that stuff here. So even the comics here. Yeah. So there you go. Reign of Doomsday. Yeah, good stuff. Okay. So Village Vanguard has many different variety of things. So you can get watches, you can get like camera covers, many different types of things here. So yeah, pretty cool stuff. You get the pins here, PUBG, cool stuff. All right, okay, let's move on. Here you go, all the different 4K and 8K TVs. The thing about Japan is they won't sell Samsungs here. Samsung TVs, you can't find them. But they do have LG and they do have some of the other off brands. So, of course, Sony is very big still. So, yeah, it'd be great to see more competition though. Okay, let's move on. Okay, we're in the game section now. And this one's for you, Carl. You were saying this is going to be one of your games, the pick of the week. So they got the promotion going here. And CD and DVDs, they still call everything DVD here, even though there's HD Blu-ray. But anyway, this is the big area here for games. And I will show you, this is all PlayStation stuff, of course. Horizon, Gran Turismo here. You know, PlayStation cards, yeah, which need to be updated because of the new PlayStation Plus. But anyway, as you go on here, lots of stuff for PlayStation. And here's what I was talking about before. Here is the only section in the back for Xbox. This is it. This is all that they have. And everything else is dedicated to peripherals, headsets. And then here's your big Switch section. And then here's the PlayStation area here. Yeah, and in the front. So yeah, they got a lot of stuff here, but yeah, not much dedication to Xbox, and it's all in the back. There's your little Square Enix booth over there. So we'll catch up in another minute. And I just wanted to show you all this. Here in Japan, this is probably one of the only countries that still has actually physical book type of copies of you know, everything that you can do in the game. For example, all of the hints and everything. So all of these different books that they have here. So this is probably one of the only sections that they have left in this store. But still, like in Akihabara, there's a bunch of stores where you can find lots of books still related to guides for how to get through certain areas of a game. So, I mean, yeah, I mean, it's, you know, it's still convenient if you want to read books and all, even though everything is now online. But still, I mean, this is one of the places where you can still find game guides. And here you go, Carl. This is what you were talking about also. Soul Hackers. Of course, Soul Hackers is being promoted very well here in Japan. And then come look at this here. Here's the promotion for The Last of Us Part 1. And it's going to be full price. Can you believe it? Yeah, so The Last of Us Part 1 on September 2nd. Still full price. So if you've never played the game, I highly recommend it. But if you've already played it, I don't think you'd want to pay full price for this. But anyway, there's your nice little life-size Gundam here. And coming through here, Gampura. Yeah, lots of different. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, I love Gundam. You know, the one in Odaiba is really cool and all. And I love the models and all. There's so many of them here that you can take a look at, and you can buy and actually put together. So good. I mean, I love these things. Yeah. So any electronic store here in Japan, you can pretty much find a wide assortment of these Gundams. Really cool stuff. Yeah. So yeah, there you go. Strike Gundam. Good stuff. Yeah. So some of these run from about $30 or so. Yeah. So you can see here, 2,430 yen. So that's about $25. Yeah. So yeah, some are small and some are bigger. But anyway, so many of them. I mean, you could just spend your whole life collecting these. So cool stuff. Well, on my way home now from my walk. I hope you all enjoyed your Umi no Hi, Ocean Day, if that's what it is for you, if you do have a holiday. So, of course, I didn't go to the ocean this year. Oh, well. So anyway, hope you enjoyed these little snippety clips that I made, and I hope to catch you in the next one. So this has been the Expat Files, so take care, everyone. Peace out.